La 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 la. La 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 la. सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए, सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए, जरा उलझी लटे सवार लो, हर अंग का रंग निखार लो के सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए, सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए.
With the shaadi season in full swing, I wanted to create a desi glam look for all you glamazons to look your best when you attend your next wedding. It could be your own or your best friends, but you know you gotta look fly for your best man. So if you want to know how I got this glam look, please keep watching.
पानी पड़े तने पे तो शोला निकले, जाने कैसे अगन में बदन चले, दिन भर की थकन उतार लो, हर अंग का रंग निखार लो के सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए, सजना है मुझे सजना के लिए.
I know I look crazy AF right now, but girl, we're about to get glam, so it's okay. So first I'm going to use this MAC lip balm, and it's so good and it hydrates my lips so well, it's amazing. I'm also going to use this MAC charged water to just wake up my skin and myself, and we're also going to pump ourselves up a little bit with some desi music. Yes girl, some aankh mare, yes. Then I'm going to moisturize my skin with this pack moisture lotion, and I freaking love this. I'm waiting to get my hands on more of this. And I'm also going to use some of this Maybelline eyebrow tattoo thingamajiggy. I have used this one before, but I actually haven't used this in quite a while, and I wanted a more kind of prominent eyebrow look to go in for today, so that's why I thought I'll go in with this one. I'm also going to use the LA Girl Pro Conceal to carve out my eyebrows and drag it down to kind of conceal all the darkness on our eyelids. Then I'm going to take this Loreal eyeliner, and I'm going to just roughly put it over my eyelid, not anything serious, but just for it to act as a base for all the eyeshadows that we'll be working for. And then I'm going to take this Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. You guys know I'm obsessed with it, and I'm going to put this brown shimmery shade all over my lid and really buff that in. Also then taking a fluffy crease brush, I'm going to put that on my crease and really kind of blow it out. And I'm going to take this matte chocolate brown shade and really deepen that crease, because as you can see, all the chocolatiness is up in our eyes, because yes, your girl is on a diet and she can't really eat any chocolate, so decide to put it on her eyes. Yay. Then taking this pack eye gloss, I'm going to cut that crease, because girl, I need to show my skills somewhere, because cooking is definitely not one of my strong points. Then I'm going to use some glitter, because we also want all the desi boys at desi weddings to look at our glittering eyes and be like, hey, who's my glittering dream girl right there? You know what I mean? Then no desi look is complete without them eyeliner, so I'm going to quickly line my eyes with this inglot gel liner. And yes, we have Hema Malini eyes now. Yay. I'm also going to remove all the eyebrow tattooage situation that has been sitting out there. This is so satisfying, you guys, honestly. And I'm also going to set them in place with this Maybelline fibre brow gel thingy. Then I'm also going to use this MAC strobe cream, because girl, your face needs to glow to the gods. That's how you get all your hot men at desi weddings. Trust me on this one. Then I'm going to use a concoction of all of this, which is like 2 foundations and an illuminator, and mix them in and put that on your face, because like I said, if your face is not glowing, what else do you have to show, right? Maybe you don't have a very nice personality, so you can use this. Then I'm going to use some concealer, because not that I have any dark circles or anything, but just because I don't want this concealer to feel bad. Then I'm also going to use my Tarte Shape Tape to kind of conceal all the bad decisions that we've made maybe on the Sangeet night, but we want to look all gharelu bahu type today, so yes. And yeah, we are just going to bake and also use this contour, and this is by Woojoh Beauty. I don't think this is available in India, but there are a lot of brands that do these kind of contour sticks, so I'm sure you can find one. And I feel contouring is very important because you're trying to give an illusion that you have a perfect face for any sasumas out there wanting to maybe, you know, bride shop at a wedding. So I mean, I'm already married, but tip for you girls. Then that bronzer, I know a lot of desi girls sleep on bronzer, but girl, do not sleep on your bronzer because it makes such a difference. It is what actually carves out your cheekbones, and it's going to make people think that you have amazing cheeks, and cheeks are definitely the first thing that people see in your face, maybe after the eyes. Then I'm also going to remove all the bakage that has been sitting underneath my eyes, and oh my god, this blush, guys, it's making me so horny right now because it's so good, so good. Then I'm going to use this Colourpop gel highlighter. Oh my god, these blushes and highlighters really make me so horny right now. Like, I see them and I'm like and I'm also wanting to glow to the gods, so I want to use this MAC Whisper of Guild, and I need to set my face because I want to be dancing, or I'm sure you girls want to be dancing with your hot guy that you saw at the wedding the whole night, and you don't want them to know the actual face you've got, so yes. Then blowing out my lower lash line because I forgot it before because I'm so intelligent. I am going to then prep my eyelashes with a lash curler and use this Maybelline Falsies mascara, and this is honestly one of the best mascaras after my Big Shot Colossal. And I'm also going to line my lips, not Kylie Jenner type line your lips, but just a little bit of overline because you want to lie but you don't want to be too fake. Yes. And I'm also going to mix 2 liquid lipsticks, and yeah, because I'm not a basic bitch and I have a lot of lipsticks to use, so I just go in with a ton of them. I'm also going to pop on these lashes that I got. These are cheap ones from Dragon Mart because I'm cheap like that. And I'm going to romantically put some Fenty gloss on and also wear my jewelry for the night and some bindi. And yes, we are also going to spray some perfume because we don't want our personalities to stink that much. And yes, we are already looking all fly in our desi avatars, ready to catch a man, or if you're like me, go with my man. Yay, fake laugh. Hi guys, this is Bosslady Shruti, and today I wanted to do a little bit different of a setup, and I just wanted to show you guys a bridal wedding look. And I guess you can wear this look even if you are the bride or even if you're attending a wedding. It all depends on your kind of comfort level. And yes, let me know in the comments down below if you liked this sort of a setup for future videos. I really like shooting it like this. And subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I make a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy.